Hello, everybody. Wait, hold on. Hello, everybody. Demon here, and today we're going to be playing Garrys Mod. I just got this game. I played around, and I uploaded the first episode of this, but that was only a minute long. So this is the official first episode. First, let's look at some of the add-ons I got. Right here we have a bunch of these. So we got Venom. I don't know what's going on with my mouse right now. I don't know how I could fix that. So let's just click all of these. Boom, boom, and then Sonic Schoolhouse. Yes, okay. So, I'm going to turn this up a little bit. There we go. Main menu. Let's start a new game. Yeah, start game. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Demon here, and welcome to Garrys Mod. I heard this was a really good game, so I got it. And, I also got a bunch of mods. We are in Sonic Schoolhouse. This looks like Baldi's Basics. What happened to the bus? What? What's in here? Click on me for help. I clicked and you did nothing, Sonic. You lied to me. Hey guys, look, can I go through the walls or what's happening? I need help getting out. I'm gonna turn this down because the music's really loud. So yeah, okay, that's a beautiful sight. Where am I? Nope, that's not right. Okay, I'm lost in Sonic Schoolhouse. Just a minute. Where? Here? No? No. No, okay, okay, but there has to be somewhere else. Oh, what? Come on, there's one right there. Come on, man. Let's look at some of my add-ons real quick. I got a lot of add-ons. We got Venom. Hey, buddy. What's up? What? That was, bad. Hey, if you could not with your hips, let's make him be like a woman. Just 'cause, like, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should ring on it. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. All the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now, let's look at weapons. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful right there. NPCs. So this game is still really new to me. Like, I have absolutely no idea. Garrys Mod, what are you? Well, hi there. You supposed to be here? No? Of course not. Um, let's see, TF2. Okay, well, what about tool props? I really don't know if there's like anything specific I should be doing. Oh, well, hi there. Are you just like a ragdoll? NPCs. Next bot. What's that? No! Wait, what if I spawn like 6 of them? I'm gonna like headshot all of them. That is so weird. Stop it! You're lagging. They're all dead, I think. Are they all dead, Mr. Eggman? Let's spawn some more. Humans in resistance, let's get you. And you. And then you. You. Just cause. You. Medic! TF2? Anything? No? Combine. Hey, I gave birth to you, dude. Screw you. Okay, now I'm gonna take you all up. I'm gonna pick you all off one by one. Back to weapons, M9, assault rifle, AK-47. Yeah. What's up, G-Man? Why did that take so many to kill? Well, hold on. Die. Oh, right, I forgot to kill you. Are you invincible too? Hey, finally. God. What's up? Finally. Freaking. Gosh darn, man. That took way too long. Let's just start like a war. You, and then you and you and you and you. I can't move. Not gonna move? No? Bye bye. Do I need more? Come on, guys. I don't want to do any more work than I have to. I don't know how to use that. Okay, what about an RPG? Sorry, guys. Baby, I love you. I'm a woo-woo. Okay, I'm back. Where are they? Where are my friends? They're in the back. Oh, wait, I killed them all. Darn it. Are some of them alive? Because if so, I'm going to kill them. Hi, Venom. Not now, Venom. I can't go back. Crap, I screwed up the game again. Great, I'm dead again. I killed so many. Come on! Okay. You know what? I've had about. I'm gonna. Finally. Let's just spawn a bunch of those and kill them. Yes. Shoot it in the hole. Death is so much more fun. How powerful is this? Let's spawn one of those. Let's spawn a dog. Hey, dog. What's up? Wait. Does this do anything? I killed him. He's dead. Did I actually just kill him? Holy crap. How? This is so powerful. So I saw in the mod description that if you right click it, something will happen. There are bombs. Yeah, he's dead. Okay, wow. This is amazing. This is my favorite thing ever. What's up, Wolf? Oh my god. It's so powerful. You, and you. You guys are now alive. Murder machine. You listen to me. I've had enough of your attitude.